Hi guys, please don't mind that I'm crusty. Remember when everybody heard that the EFF was going to negotiate with the ANC, possibly that the EFF can join the GNU, and the EFF has said they will not support the ANC with increasing the VAT. That is a no negotiator. Okay. And the EFF said if they get a chance to join the GNU, their condition is ANC has to drop the DA and the Freedom Front Plus. Everybody was throwing tantrums. Yeah. EFF is sold out. Malema is sold out again. They are negotiating with the ANC. Yeah. MK is the only party. Yeah. The MK people were having a field sham. Now the ANC is negotiating with the MK. Batul, the ANC is negotiating with the MK so that the MK can help them vote and pass the VAT or the budget in Parliament. Batul ngoku. So there is such a hypocritical behavior going around that if EFF is negotiating with the ANC, they have sold out. If ANC is negotiating with MK, it's a strategic move. Sana, I'm bringing it here on purpose. So I want to say to everybody that has been saying, Gubana, the EFF has sold out. At least the EFF, you know one thing about the EFF, Shem, they are honest. Isono say EFF is being honest and being upfront because they didn't hide that, no, we are negotiating and these are our terms and we will not support VAT increase. MK is negotiating ngoku ne-ANC bathula. Caba kumnandi xa kunegotiate abona. Funeka kunegotiate xa kunegotiate abona, it's a strategy. And I pray that the negotiations go well. Abantu be-MK bazawutsho bavule kamehlo la njengoba ecuma baclever nje babona i-MK xa ivota ne-ANC. Bazotsho kuvule kamehlo la babona i-MK ivota ne-ANC. Sizawuke sibone uba bazawuthini after that. Supporters, one thing I've learned about these supporters, especially on social media, they like to think they know what goes on behind closed doors. Kora, they know nothing. They like to act like they know. Kora, they know nothing. Nothing. Bazi nix.